Okay, now I'm going to show you using this manual gum tape dispenser how fast and easy it is to tape the carton box. I already more or less fold the bottom of the carton box already. So what we do is that we push it out again. We pull to an estimated length that we think is enough to take it down. So by taping the top, okay, when you close it down, just need to press it. The bottom is done. So on top, assuming that we put some products in, close it again. Now we just need to take another strip. Pull to the length that you think is enough. Again. Go to the carton, tape on one side of the frame. Press it down again. And the carton box is done.